Alright, there it is. Ceramic coated, wheels polished. Come out really good. It's red. Still a little windy as far as the noise. Kind of walking around it, kind of. Come out really good. Polished the bumper as best I could. She's got a lot of battle bruises. Turned out pretty good, real good. I'm happy with it. I sent him a picture last night and he sent me a thumbs up. He's all ready for the big dance. Big shows he's going to. Got a couple big events he's going to. I think he's doing Slick Summer and Builder's Brawl and a couple other ones I don't remember off the top of my head. But she looks real good. He's gonna pick her up here in a little while and take her home. Order her in and get ready to go. Alright guys, you know what to do. Hit all the fun stuff and leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. I'm still working on things, you know. Let me know.